It's been roughly a month since the last time I did one of these, so let's talk about another science misconception. Evolution doesn't have a point, and that's because natural selection isn't its only underlying mechanism. Let's talk about it. Natural selection, also known as survival of the fittest, is arguably the most well-known mechanism of evolution, but it only accounts for changes in gene frequencies caused by selective pressures, things like climate, predation, and competition for resources. Members of species might have a heritable trait that gives them a survival or reproductive advantage over other organisms, and over time, usually hundreds to thousands of generations of passing on that beneficial trait, that trait eventually becomes cemented in a species as an adaptation to a particular environmental pressure. But natural selection isn't a random process, and random changes still happen, which is where genetic drift comes in. Gene frequencies can randomly shift in a population for a variety of reasons, some of them more slow and gradual, like random mating patterns, and others more hard-hitting and destructive, like natural disasters or overhunting, taking out a huge chunk of the population. In genetic drift, gene frequencies change for no particular reason since they don't have a positive or negative effect on an individual's ability to survive and reproduce. Beyond those two, other mechanisms of evolution include mutations, because that's how new characteristics happen, gene flow between populations, which can increase genetic diversity in a population that might not have a lot of it, and non-random mating, where members of a species either choose their mates based on physical and behavioral characteristics, or alternatively compete with each other for access to mates. And these processes are still ongoing, as they have been for billions upon billions of years, because evolution doesn't stop for anyone or anything, not even for us. We, just like every other species living on this planet, are still evolving, and we will continue to do so because the only thing that will stop evolution from happening is if every single speck of life on this planet and in this universe is obliterated.